Maybe one reason why I like watermelon so much is because it makes me feel like a kid, like this watermelon ice pops, something I created after slurping down many watermelon passion fruit drinks on a recent trip to Vietnam. It's a fun dessert and also a great garnish for drinks with or without alcohol. We'll start by making the watermelon raspberry concentrate. Place the raspberries, cube watermelon, sea salt, sugar, lime juice, minced ginger, and cayenne into a blender and process until well blended. If you're also making drinks, double the ingredients and set aside 1/2 of the concentrate. To make the ice pops, transfer the remaining mixture into popsicle molds with popsicle sticks and allow them to freeze overnight. To prepare the beverage, combine the watermelon raspberry concentrate with watermelon-infused sparkling water in a shallow rock glass. For an alcoholic version, add an ounce of vodka. Place an ice pop in the glass and serve. Alternately, you can also serve the ice pops on the side. The bright red juice really makes the watermelon ice pops so beautiful and so refreshing.